Weight loss success is within your reach. For many of us, weight loss has been like something out of a dream. It can never happen in real life. However, this does not have to be the case. If you choose to be proactive, to do your homework, then you will learn that weight loss is actually quite attainable. Find out how. Skip those morning jelly donuts and have a slice of whole wheat bread with a bit of jelly or jam on it instead. Skip the croutons on your salad. They are unnecessary carbohydrates that you can easily live without. Make small alterations to your daily diet and you will find that the pounds will start melting away. Do not shop when you are hungry, if you are trying to lose weight. If you are hungry, you are very likely to make bad food choices. If an unhealthy food makes its way into your home, then it will probably end up in your mouth. Plan your menu before shopping, and then try to get it done as quickly as possible. If you do not have time to cook and mainly rely on your microwave, you are probably eating a lot of unhealthy frozen food. Look for healthy frozen food instead. You can easily find veggie burger patties, lean chicken, brown rice or steamed vegetables that you can cook in your microwave. Take time out each day to play with the kids. Yes, your kids do offer great benefits by way of joys that are unique and fun that you could never have without them. But they also provide a great reason to get outside and spend some time being as active as possible, which can promote weight loss quite a bit. We live in a modern world and that should be taken advantage of. This includes all kinds of things like applications for smartphones, online calorie trackers, websites and communities for support and tips, and even online magazines. Make sure you are finding the tools that you believe will help you and then using them to their fullest. Make your weight loss permanent by adding lots of greens to your diet. Greens are high in vitamins, and they also contain a lot of fiber. This takes longer to digest, helping you feel full longer. The high water content in greens also helps you feel more full, while allowing you to eat as much of them as you want. Nothing in life comes easy, and this includes weight loss. On the positive side, you can give yourself a fighting chance. It does not have to be a losing battle. Losing weight is all about having the right information. With that on your side, your dream of weight loss can and will come true.